Need a cinematic clip for a launch post, but no camera, no crew, no time? What if you could just describe it? That's AI video generation right inside Vyroq's Video Studio. Open Video Studio and click the AI Video Generation tab. Type your prompt, slow cinematic dolly across a sunlit workspace, or drop in a first frame image to animate from a still you already have. Now pick your quality. The quality picker shows real tears, draft for quick rough cuts, standard for everyday social clips, pro for sharp client ready. 1080p, even a cinematic tier for hero shots. Every tier shows its own cost estimate before you commit. Dial in resolution, aspect ratio, and duration, flip on. Generate audio for a synced soundtrack, and add a watermark if you want one. Hit generate clip and watch the progress card track your render live. When it's done, your clip lands straight in My Videos. Save to your library, ready to drop into a course, a campaign, or your brand kit. That's a finished video clip from nothing but a sentence. Start yours free at vyroq.com. No credit card, 14-day money-back guarantee.